Now we have two farmers. One is growing Matoke from Mbarara and another one is growing mushroom from Kampala.
We are located in Machinde, along Church Road in the zone called Ruvuma.
You can find me in Mbarara, in Mbarara district.
And we grow oyster mushrooms.
We don't only teach to grow Matoke, we teach everything concerning on agriculture.
We are working with youth on the project called Young Africa Works.
Call those young empowered students.
This is where we're located, this is where the farm is, where we're growing our mushrooms from.
But if you want to learn alone, you can call me.
We do have all mushroom growing materials, mushroom gardens, fresh mushrooms.
You can contact us on our numbers. We send for you this.
And they are tested.
Choose which is better. Learning how to get wine from mushroom.
My name is Finch.
How are you, Finch?
I work with African mushroom growers.
Okay. How do they plant this?
As far as mushroom is concerned, we grow these mushrooms using cotton seed hussicks, as you can see them. So we prepare them, we mix them with water, and prepare this, pack it into a polythene bag, then we steam it, and then plant it using mushroom seeds. Of which mushroom seeds, I'm going to show you one bottle of them that we have here. So this is a bottle of mushroom seeds, the one we use to plant from the other gardens after we have prepared them so well. We put our garden somewhere where it needs a certain environment, like temperature between 25 to 30 for it to grow well. We leave it there, and the seeds which we will have planted on such a garden, they will start moving from this side, even this side, because we plant it on both sides. And the mycelium of this mushroom will start moving from either of the sides. Now, this is the white thing that you see moving. This is the mycelium of the mushroom seeds that we put here. This one has to move until the whole garden turns as white as this.
This is the garden.
I'm holding is the garden.
You're just planting the seeds in here.
Planting here, and when this has turned all white, there we have a fully colonized garden that is ready to start fruiting mushrooms here. Sorry. So after it has become ready, we take it into a grow house, which we construct in such a way that it has enough oxygen and that is cool. There is no rainwater dropping. We keep our gardens there. We put them like the way you see how these ones are. Here, and then we keep spraying water on them. And then they start fruiting. Mushrooms will start coming out of this mushroom garden.
Wow. Now, how much is this garden?
Garden
like you call it?
Yes, each garden of mushroom costs 3,000 at the farm.
At the farm?
Sell them at 3,000.
Okay.
Each one of them.
Okay. Now, what about the mushroom powder?
This is the powder. Feel the scent. It is pure mushroom.
Can I?
You can. Okay. You can. Oh, it's original.
This tin is 100 grams. It is certified by UNBS and it costs 10,000. Also, we have this box of mushrooms, the same mushroom powder. It is also the same powder like you have seen in the tin. And this tin, it costs 25,000. It is 250 grams.
Okay. Now, how much is this?
Each pack is 3,000.
This one is for 3,000.
Yes, the pack of fresh mushrooms.
Okay.
So 3,000.
What about this one?
Now this one is a pack of dry mushrooms, and dry mushroom each pack costs 5,000.
5,000.
50 grams back.
If someone wants to learn, do you teach them?
As African mushroom growers, we do offer trainings for people, but currently we are working with youth on the project called Young Africa Works. If the person, you have a youth, you are below the age of 35 but above 18, you can contact us, we register you on that project, and then we take you through the training of mushroom growing, which is free of charge after registration.
Wow, that is very nice.
How many grams?
250 grams. If you know, you know. Bomanyi nkuwadde bulungi.
If you know, you know.
If you know that, okimanyi tolina w'osanga.
What else do you have?
Out of mushrooms, like I have said, we are doing value addition. Also, started making this type of a drink. It is called army wine. It's made out of mushrooms, specifically using fresh mushrooms, and it is also a product of African mushroom growers as one way of trying to invest in value addition, because we do not want to see our mushrooms get spoiled. And again, we are also making this product. It is called mushroom herbal jelly. It is also made out of mushrooms. One of the ingredients I used are mushrooms. So in case one is out there, you should be eating mushrooms, or you should be smearing yourself with mushrooms. You are either using the powder, or else you're taking the mushroom as in form of a drink.
Oh, how much is this bottle?
Mushroom wine here, it costs 20,000 each one.
What about the jelly?
The jelly, there is this big tin that costs 10,000 each one of them. You can access it in any of the markets, supermarkets, or you can contact us to supply you in any corner.
Okay. Give us your number.
As African mushroom growers, anytime you can contact us on the following numbers: 0708 38 21 17 or 0708 38 21 18. And the last one, those ones that are on MTN, you can contact us on 0782 32 40 41. It is even on WhatsApp.
Okay. We'll be calling you, I'm sure. Thank you so much for your information.
Yes, welcome.
Yeah, we shall be in touch very soon.
This is 3,000.
Where can we find you?
You
Where are you
can find
located?
me in Wizwera, in Mbarara district.
In Mbarara. Do you do delivery if someone wants in Mbarara?
Yeah,
like
we
in
do
different
deliveries
districts?
from our farm to anywhere around the world. Kulea grams za fertilizer. Kiba kiyimanga kimaze omwaka okugenda okukyongerako fertilizer. Olina okupima fuuti 2 kuva ku kitooke ku applyingako fertilizer. Fertilizer eyo twakyusaamu bwe tuba tu applyinga tukozesa kye tuyita round method. Lwaki tuba twagala yonna gyetoloola girya. So olina okumeasuringa 2 feet from the plant. Fuuti 2 okuva ku kitooke round. The same applies on mulching. Nanti olina okumala kinga kuva ku kitooke fuuti 2. Lwaki twagala oteeke wali wennyini ku kitooke ekisetuka n'emirandira okuvaayo ne gibeera waggulu ne gikuba omusana ate n'emirandira giriira eno. Okkirizibwa recommended esembayo 1 wheelbarrow erimu baafu 4 ey'obusa. But you shouldn't power it alone. You have to mix it with the soil. You come with your forked hoe, mixing it with the soil. Are you getting me? Otemerera ng'obitabula otabula mu ttaka oba tolina kyokoze biba bijja kubeera byokka okumewo omuliro ogunatta. Enkolokolo okugisugulawo triangular shape bireme kulegamawo. Bwemala buno nga bufunye amaanyi oba ng'olabye egenze kuvunda kuleetera obuwuka, gisigule. Enkolokolo togijjaako gibika ettaka. But when it comes to this one to mature, lino nga litaddeko ettooke, kati awo ogijjako. Mu kugijjako you have to be with recommended pesticides. Otegedde jiiki ng'osiiga ku kikozesa ku sharp object gy'olina ogenda kukuulawo enkolokolo. The same applies to panga. Ana akatooke keetaagisa busa bwokka. Any fertilizer that you having is recommended. The reason is when you apply respectively nga bwe tukusomeseza tekalina njawulo ne bw'osimba kino. There is no difference. So kano
How
tekalina
much is this
njawulo.
one?
This one is for 4,000.
Do you sell also food like matoke? Do you
We
food
sell them
from your farm?
from our farm.
Then if someone is in Kampala wants to buy some food, some matoke from Mbarara, he can contact you. Then you
You can contact us on our numbers. We send for you this well
read your numbers.
Matoke. Our numbers 0702 54
54
34
34
01.
01
Yeah. Those are the next number is 077
077
37
37
21
21.
484. That is mine as a teacher, a trainer.
Can you train someone if a farmer is there wants to learn how to grow matoke? Can you teach that farmer to grow good matoke?
We don't even only teach one, we teach many those who are willingly needed, but they should pay some amount. We teach a monthly.
You teach monthly, but you teach it to a group.
A group, yeah.
Okay.
But if you want to learn alone, you can call me. I come to your place, such as that to teach you how to grow matoke. We don't only teach to grow matoke, we teach everything concerning on agriculture, how to make organic fertilizers, how to treat animals, how to treat matoke, everything concerning on agriculture we teach.
You have different types of matoke.
We have many different types of matoke, but for us we grow the local ones.
So if someone is in need of fertilizers, do you sell them?
The fertilizer we are having, we can connect you with those who have, but ours at farm, we use it for a farm consumption fertilizer, not to sell. But we can direct you where you can get the fertilizer. We have many connections to those who supply us.
How do you make these seedlings? Where do you get them? From seeds?
Yeah, we get these ones, these young seedlings, the potted ones, from these plant suckers, banana suckers. How? We cut off all these banana covers. The point of a cover where it meets, the two points where it meets, is where there is a bud. That bud we cut it off. We chop it into 4 parts. Every single part, it gives us a young one, which is this one.
Know how many buds there are inside this sack?
There are many, they are unaccounted.
What else do you have to tell us?
It's just what I have to tell you. It's just to call those young, empowered students, starting on a certificate level, to come to visit our farm, to learn how to plant, to learn how to treat both animals and crops, such that we can improve agriculture to the next level. This is our church, Igbo farm from Mbarara in Mbarara district. We are registered with the Ministry of Sports and Education. We are supported by many companies from Netherlands, with many universities.
Okay. You grow even gonja.
We grow even gonja, our local gonja, our local one.
Our local one.
Yeah. Everything we grow at our farm is locally. We don't even use those chizungu, bitoke. We grow local matoke. We don't have improved type of matoke. We have local ones.
Now what are these? Tell me about these ones. What are these?
These are pastures. We train to grow each pasture. They are of different names that as you see here, they may be of same appearance but different names. And we grow sugar napier. Sugar napier. We have
sugar napier.
Yeah.
Not elephant grass.
Not elephant grass. It has the name. There is sugar napier. The elephant grass is not as the same as that one. This one do not have hairs. Those which cause infection on your body. But
Okay.
there is this one which grow with hairs. As you're seeing them,
Yes,
they are
yes.
different. This is sugar napier, and this is has the other name.
This one have no those hairs.
Those
And
hairs.
that one,
This one, it has, so that is the difference between it.
that one is elephant grass.
Yeah,
This one is sugar napier.
sugar napier.
Wow. Please like this video, subscribe and press the notification bell. You can watch this video on your screen. It's about the prices of farm machines. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.